In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Ssemble, whether you're returning to your projects or signing in for the first time on a new device. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Ssemble.com. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the official site by checking the address bar and looking for the secure lock icon. This helps ensure you're in the right place and keeps your information safe. If you plan to come back often, consider bookmarking the page so you can return with one click in the future. Once the home page loads, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Sign In. On smaller screens, that option might appear inside a menu or as a small profile icon, but it will still take you to the same sign-in page. On the sign-in page, you'll see multiple ways to access your account. If you prefer a quick and seamless experience, choose to continue with your Google or Apple account. This method uses your existing credentials from those providers, which can save time and reduce the need to remember another password. Simply select the option that matches the account you want to use, pick your account if prompted, and follow any on-screen confirmations. If your device asks for a device unlock or a confirmation prompt, that's normal. Just approve it to proceed. If you'd rather use your email and password, choose the email login option. Carefully type the email address associated with your Ssemble account and enter your password. Take a second to check for common issues like accidental spaces or caps lock turned on. Using a reputable password manager can make this step faster and more accurate. After entering your details, submit the form to continue. In most cases, you'll be signed in within a moment and taken to your dashboard or recent projects. If the page seems stuck, refresh the browser or make sure your internet connection is stable. For added peace of mind, always keep your login details private and avoid signing in on public or untrusted devices. If you must use a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're done. And that's it. Going to Ssemble.com, clicking Sign In at the top right, and choosing either Google, Apple, or your email and password will get you into your account quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time creating with Ssemble.